what's up everybody? Welcome to Clermont, Florida today. We're about 22 miles west of Orlando. The Sunshine State, except it's got a little overcast today. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Today's adventure, Clermont. So, we are on the Highway 50. Just a note to anybody visiting, if you are looking for a gas station and you get on the turnpike, good luck. It's going to take you, there'll be a gas station literally 100 feet from you, but it'll take you 17 minutes to get there. Just FYI. Gas is $2.99. Passing over the subdivision of Greater Hills here in Clermont. Population around 43,000 at the time of the video. So you can see you got some houses over here to the right. There's a guy adjusting his headphones. Another neighborhood here, Summit Greens, right next to the Target. Past the Ruby Tuesday. That's something I don't see much anymore. Here's a McDonald's and a Regions Bank. Looks like we're getting into the commercial side of things. Got your Five Guys and First Watch, Hancock Village over here to the right. Cabinets, a beauty bar, and a barber shop. All right, and a bank. Little shopping center over here, McAllister's. Financial building. Got a big pile of dirt. Must be, looks like they're building some apartments or something over here to the left. It's a nice home too. Right next door to an Applebee's. Yeah, they got the hotel crowd. Applebee's goes hard in the paint, as kids say these days, but it's great food. It's good food. Give me an Applebee's and Chili's. You won't hear any complaints from me. Turning here onto Citrus Tower. I like the architecture on this apartment building up here. Check this out. It's got the little metal kickouts. Not really kickouts, just little sections in metal. I guess they are kickouts. Either way, looks cool. Yeah, I didn't realize Florida was so hilly. There's a lot of hills here. It's kind of like the upper Midwest. Some neighborhoods over here to the right. Very green. Should get a lot of rain. Showers, I'd say. Turn it on to Steve's Road. Wonder who Steve is. Some nice tile roofs here on these houses. I love how all the pools have little patio things over them. Tuscany Ridge is the name of this one. I originally thought that was for gators, but it's for bugs and critters, and probably gators too, but not specifically for gators. Real Life. What is that? Welcome to Real Life, now enrolling. Oh, it's a Christian Academy. Okay. Explains the football fields. Some more shopping here. Crumble cakes and cookies, Jimmy John's, Flippers Pizzeria. That looks like an Olive Garden or Cheddar's. Definitely. Olive Garden for sure. TJ Maxx. Nice big shopping center here. Turned on to the 50. Got a Burger King, Mickey D's, Pizza Hut. That's a big Pizza Hut sign. You don't usually see it like that. Look at that Wells Fargo. That's pretty cool. Cool looking Wells Fargo. I'm sure you can tell we are getting a rain shower here this evening. Winn-Dixie. That's a grocery store. I think it's a grocery store, right? It's more than just spirits. Hey, Jalisco. Got an O'Reilly's here. Some neighborhoods on the left. Distant Street. Like this is the downtown area. Probably down one of these roads. APC Roofing. Locksmith. Hey, that's a big building for a locksmith. A lot of times those people just office out of their trucks or their house. The wellness center. It's a big town, big city. Here's the historic village and historic downtown. Nice, beautiful park, or I guess a lake. Very tranquil out here. This must be the old downtown up here somewhere around these roads. It's like the old cobble streets up here. It's cool. All right, see you next time.